As vehicles continue to evolve, so does the complexity of diagnosing and repairing them. From network communication systems to increasingly stringent emissions controls, today's technicians, well, they're being asked to master technologies that didn't even exist a decade ago. And for many in the industry, keeping pace isn't just a challenge, it's a constant uphill climb. That's why training has never been more critical, not just in theory, but in practical real world applications that translate directly into the bay. To talk about the industry and how we can close the gap, I'm joined today by Justin Shaffer, Technical Training Manager for North America at Delphi. We'll be diving into their Tech Tip Thursday training series and how it's designed to meet technicians where they are and why accessible, high level education is more important now than ever. So, Justin, thanks for joining me, man.
Happy to be here.
Absolutely. No, it's sometimes it feels like talking about training is just, constantly beating a dead horse, but it's so needed in the industry. And, with the modern vehicles, like I said, how they're getting more complex, considering all the network systems, emissions controls, many technicians are really struggling to keep up. So I want to talk a little bit about your Tech Tip Thursday and how it's helping technicians close those real world skills gaps in a way that some of the traditional training out there doesn't help.
Yeah, Tech Tip Thursday is built specifically to meet technicians where they are right now, not where traditional training expects them to be. The sessions are live, virtual, and free at convenient times, 12 p.m. Eastern and 12 p.m. Pacific, so techs can attend without disrupting their workday. Instead of committing to a full 4 hour course, these are short, high intensity sessions that deliver real world, immediately applicable knowledge in a much more manageable format. What really sets it apart is the focus on everyday training. It's not centered on selling Delphi products. It's bipartisan and practical, covering the kinds of issues technicians see across all makes and systems. That means techs can walk away with skills they can use right now, regardless of what's in their bay. In a time where vehicle complexity is outpacing traditional learning models, Tech Tip Thursdays helps close the gap by being accessible, relevant, and directly tied to real world challenges.
And I love that. Like, what really stuck out there when you just in your answer is the accessibility and the consumable nature of the training. It seems like everything now is being more and more condensed just in the natural way that we as humans are kind of, really ingesting content. So I love that strategy of getting to the technician where they work in short, shorter consumable pieces. So that's a really great way of looking or rolling this training out. And I love to see that you guys are doing that. So that really kind of parlays it well into my next question. A lot of the training out there can feel theoretical, which can be kind of a turnoff to technicians at times. So can you walk us through how some of these sessions are designed to translate more directly and into faster, more accurate diagnostics in the shop?
Tech Tip Thursday is designed with one goal in mind, making technicians more effective the moment they get back to the shop. Every session is built around tips that technicians can take right to the service bay. Instead of focusing on theory, we break things down into practical real world scenarios. What to check first, how to approach a fault, and where techs can save time in their diagnostic process. It's about giving them clear, actionable takeaways, not just understanding how a system works, but knowing exactly what to do when it fails. That translates directly into faster troubleshooting, fewer misdiagnoses, and more confident repairs. And in short, these sessions don't just teach, they equip technicians with tools they can immediately put to work.
And that's great. That's really what's going to encourage, training out there with the technician. When you can help bridge that gap or show them that, the training that we're offering here is going to make you a more accurate and a faster technician. It translates really, I mean, we all go to work to make a living, in them being able to produce more dollars, turn more work out. That really helps reinforce what you're trying to do in the market, and I love that. And kind of before, preparing for this interview, I was looking at kind of what you guys offer and some of the classes that you have out there. And it really seems like in that time frame that you guys are doing this over a lunch hour, you're covering some in-depth topics, stuff like J1939 can, diesel NOx strategies, areas where a lot of technicians they find it intimidating. So,
Yeah.
how are you making these and other advanced subjects approachable and actionable for everyday techs?
We're very intentional about how we introduce more advanced topics like the J1939 can diagnostics and diesel NOx strategies because we know those areas can feel overwhelming. First, this is really about expanding our reach, bringing in more content for heavy duty technicians, which is a space we haven't pushed as heavily in the past. We're working to deliver a wider variety of training that reflects what's actually happening across today's service base, including the growing complexity in the heavy duty market. Just as important is how we deliver it. We're bringing in subject matter experts and experienced trainers who truly understand the business and the challenges technicians face every day. These are people who have been in the bays, who know the pressure, who can break down complex systems into clear, practical concepts that make sense to working techs. The goal is it's to take intimidating topics and make them approachable, relevant, and actionable. So techs not only understand them, but feel confident applying that knowledge in real world diagnostics.
Yeah, and I mean that's so important, right? To be able to, they spent the time to go in and, take this training. So really taking that time and being able to show them again, like I just talked about earlier, how this is going to translate into helping them, turn more hours, make more money. I mean, it's great stuff, and I love to see it. So I want to talk a little, change subjects a little bit. You'd mentioned kind of business side on it a little bit earlier, and I want to build on that a little bit. So, for years, the industry, especially higher up in organizations, have really seen training as a cost center, right? Not as a revenue generation type of activity for a company. And I know the industry is starting to change that perception, but I would really love to hear Delphi strategy. So really, you're offering these, lunchtime tech classes at no cost. So what's, Delphi's philosophy behind making high level technical education like this accessible in the industry?
Um, at its core, our philosophy is simple. A well-trained technician elevates the entire industry. When technicians have the right knowledge and confidence, they're able to diagnose and repair vehicles correctly the first time. That reduces problems in the field, it minimizes unnecessary warranty claims, and ultimately helps shops deliver world-class service to the end customer. In that sense, a well-trained technician becomes an excellent customer because they're more efficient, more effective, and more successful in their own work. Uh, we also recognize that there's always a cost to training, whether it's time, money, or lost productivity. That's why we're committed to providing high quality, cost effective education at no cost whenever we can. By removing barriers to access, we can reach more technicians, support their growth, and contribute to raising the overall standard across the industry.
And I love that because I'm a big proponent of the saying of a rising tide raises all ships, right? I mean, we're in this together from, the manufacturers to the shop owners to the technicians to the customers, everybody. I mean, the industry is changing at all levels so incredibly quickly. And I really love that people are now kind of seeing the need for training and working together to bring this to the industry. So that's awesome. So I'm going to flip it to the other side now here. And I'm just going to ask basically, for the technician or shop owner, who's on the fence, give me your best elevator pitch for why they should carve out time on a Thursday to join these sessions.
Uh, if you're on the fence, here's a simple pitch. It's 1 hour that can directly make you more money and more efficient in the bay. We're giving you access to experienced instructors who deliver real world tips you can use immediately. Things that help you diagnose faster, avoid comebacks, and get vehicles out the door quicker. At the end of every session, those instructors are there to answer your questions. So you're not just learning, you're solving real world problems that you're dealing with right now. Every class is designed so you can walk away with something new, whether it's improving your approach to parasitic draw or sharpening your voltage drop testing process and a lot more. We also bring in a variety of instructors, so you're getting different perspectives and the chance to connect with experts in the field. Over time, that helps build relationships and gives you more reasons to keep coming back. Bottom line, it's a small time investment with immediate real world payoff.
I love that. I mean, it's like I said, this is so great to see, folks like yourselves doing this in the industry, making accessible training that's easily digestible for technicians out there. The need for training is not going to slow down because emerging technology in the industry isn't slowing down. The technician that stays informed and keeps up with the challenges are going to be the ones that are going to be the most successful. So, Justin, thank you again for your time. And for everyone else, thanks for watching.